Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive any emails in your Outlook. Let's begin. First, you can access your account or Outlook via the web version or the application itself. So once you're successfully logged in, I want you to focus and click on your inbox. Here, you will access all of your emails. And if you will notice, you will also have an archive called, or what I mean is, you will have a folder called archive. So it should be present over here or below this section. Okay. But first, go to your inbox, select any email. For example, I'm going to select this specific email. Just click or tick on the box, and you will notice an option to click on archive. So once you click on that option, it will deliver this email straight to my archive folder. So let's say I'm going to click on it. But for example, if you have more than one email you would like to send over to the archive section, you can click on this button instead. It will select all of the email you have here present, and you can easily uncheck which ones you would like to or not include in the archive. Okay. So go ahead. I'm going to check this, click on archive, and then boom, it was sent here on my archive. And there you go. This is the archive section or archive folder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.